Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. So first, you just have to open your Shopify account. And actually, if you go to your product or to your store, unfortunately, you cannot see a button there or a feature that says add subscription or subscription plan. So what you want to do here is to simply install or add an application to your Shopify store. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap products here and other features here, then you cannot see a button that says add subscription or subscription plan or subscriptions. So let me show you how to add an application or add subscription application or plan to your Shopify store. So scroll down and look for add apps. Now, if you can see any subscription application here, you can tap Shopify App Store. And then here, what you want to do is to go to the search bar and then kind of type subscription. Okay, and then you will see tons of subscription applications here that you can add to your Shopify store. So we have here Shopify and yes, a lot more. But let me recommend or suggest this Absol subscription because it's a very easy to use application. Okay, so tap this one here. Now to install, you just have to simply tap this and then click this install button here. Okay, you could read the instruction to get more information about this application, but this time let's just tap install. Okay, and then once you tap install here, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then it will take you to this board. So as you can see, it needs permission, authorization for this application to be connected to your Shopify. So click install and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so you can also refresh that to see if it's okay or if it's ready to use. Now, once done, you will see here the result. So this is the sole subscription. So below Absol subscription, you can see here some features and options. And actually, you can simply subscribe to free plan at this very moment. So as you can see, I am subscribed to free plan, but I strongly suggest that you should upgrade your plan anytime. Okay. So to start, let's tap this subscriptions here. And in order for you to fully use this application, you need to do this eligibility criteria, or you have to tap this one to see and know more information and see if you're qualified to proceed. Okay. So let me tap the subscriptions first for you to see what it looks like. Okay, so here, what you want to do is just simply click on this create subscription, tap this one. And as you can see, it is really better for you to do the subscription or create subscription manually, in where you need to enter or put some information here. So you must be very careful in putting or typing some information here. And you have to review it twice before clicking save. Okay, so we have here for customer. Okay, but I can't edit it one because I am not yet upgraded to a plan. I'm just using a basic version. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is just simply enter the information, correct information. Once done, click save. Okay, so next thing to do once you have entered your information here, what you want to do next is to simply some billing or payment because it cannot proceed to that if you haven't or if you did not add some payment method here. Okay, so you have to add payment method here. Could be your credit card or debit card. Okay, so in case you don't know, you just have to go to the settings and then go to billing and then modify settings here. Okay, so go back to subscriptions. And then once you're okay with everything here, then after you review, click save. And then as you can see here, you can't proceed to adding a subscription plan if you haven't added your payment method. So like what I mentioned earlier, So we have tons of options here when it comes to payments. We have here PayPal, we have here App Store, we have here Visa, we have here American Express, and everything is up to you. Whatever suits you, you just have to select it. Okay. So once you're done with everything, especially with the payment method, you can now proceed with this subscription plan. So create a subscription plan. Here you have to name your subscription plan. For example, for me, I have this perfume product in my Shopify account or store. So I just have to type here perfume. And then here, what you want to do is just simply click this select product and check a tapped product from your Shopify store. So here's my product. Click add. Make sure that you have your product on your Shopify store. Okay. Now we have here static plan 1, order frequency name. It could be monthly, weekly. Everything is up to you. So you can see more information below. So let me type here monthly. Now here we have order billing type. So we have 3 options: pay as you go, prepaid one time, prepaid auto renew. Okay, so for me, I want to choose this pay as you go. And then we have here order frequency description. This is the description which your customer will see on the product details page. So everything is up to you here. And then below we have here order frequency. And then below that, you can see also, you can read more information about that. Okay. And then minimum required numbers of orders. So you can just simply select or enter everything here. This is based on your product or your Shopify store or your know your sales, something like that. Okay, so if you want to offer discount for subscription, everything is up to you. So you can also tap that one and then enter the specific amount for that. Okay, and then once done, what you want to do is to click save, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, what you want to do is to simply go back to your Shopify, go to products, and there you will see what we have added to your Shopify store. But of course, like what I've mentioned earlier, I cannot show you that because I'm currently using the basic version. Okay, and then let's go back to your App Store. There you will see your subscription plan. Okay, so if you go to subscription plan, then here it is. Now you can edit, you see loyalty here, and you can also delete. But as you can see, this is what it looks like because I'm currently using the basic version. If you're not using the basic version, then you can totally edit everything here and see it not in the blurry type. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.